Hi, I'm 𝗖𝗍. The air tank is a common model in the pressure vessel industry. This demonstration will walk you through its modeling process in CrownCAD. To create the tank body, we first draw a sketch using the sketch tools. Use the Convert Entities command to convert components from existing entities into the sketch, saving time on tracing. Add geometric constraints to quickly position sketch elements. By selecting appropriate features, you can efficiently model components that meet design requirements by selecting appropriate features. Next, use the shell command to form a tank with the required thickness. A 3D sectional view allows you to see the internal structure of the tank clearly to create external supports quickly. Simply sketch lines and use the extruding thin feature. After completing the 3D model, choose the appropriate template to create a 2D drawing. Set the drawing scale and annotate the dimensions. Finally, use the Note tool to add the technical requirements. The air tank design is complete. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.